How many kilograms do you export?
We are not exporter.
What's up, my friends? Welcome back to another educational video. So I'm in Nuwara Eliya right now, here in Sri Lanka, and today I'm taking you on a full tour around this tea factory. It's the Pedro tea factory. So if you ever been in the tea house, you'll know there's lots of money to be made. One of Sri Lanka's main sources of income is from tea. Currently, it's the 4th largest producer of tea in the world. And last year alone, this country done just over $1 billion in tea sales. So it's lit. If you're in Nuwara Eliya, you can come to this tea factory and go on a tour. It only costs 250 rupees. But if you can't come here for whatever reason, you can watch this video and go on a tour that way. There's a slight downside today. Today is Christmas, and that means the factory is not like operating today. The machines are not running, but they'll still take us on a tour and explain us everything, but the machines are not running. Now, on top of the 250 rupees for the tea factory tour, you can also pay 1,000 rupees and they'll demonstrate you how to pluck the tea leaves. So that's what I'm doing right now.
This is for the level sticks. Level.
Okay.
Level stick like this. Okay, like this. You're picking.
Anything on top of this stick gets
only
plucked.
the young, green like these leaves.
Yeah.
This also not good hard leaves. And pick and like this pick.
Yeah.
Pick.
So after you pick everything, how many months come again?
7 days.
Oh, really?
7 days.
Okay.
After 7 days, the leaves growing up.
Okay.
Again, once a week, every day picking.
Yeah.
Today this area, tomorrow this area, like this. And 45 years we can pick in this bush. After 45 years, we uproot the plant and again we are planting.
How many kilograms do you export?
We export only here. We are not exporter. We are only wholesalers. We send to the tea auction to Colombo. There's buyers. Their buyers come to the auction. They buy the tea, then they do anything. That means put the aromas like this, mixing and blending also.
Yeah.
And they packing and they put their own labels, Lipton like this.
Oh, yeah.
And they export it.
But you produce how much?
Factory?
Yeah.
3,500 kilo for a day.
In a day?
Yeah. Actually, good crop season 3,500 kilo, and like this season 2,000 kilos. 4 kilo green leaves we can make 250 gram tea. For a lady, maybe 18 kilos for a day. They won't pick. This is also our tea plantation. 1,600 acres.
How many hours the people work here plucking?
8 hours.
8 hours.
Yes. 8 hours mean to morning 8 o'clock till 4:30. They have lunch break, tea break also. The ladies only picking, men's doing other works, cutting, cleaning like this works.
Yeah, okay. You know the ladies that work here doing the plucking, how much do they get paid?
1,000 rupees per day.
For 8 hours?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also they have essential benefits. The housing,
Okay.
hospitality,
From the
and
government?
schools,
Okay.
every facilities they have
Okay.
for their children.
Yeah. Is this a scale?
Yeah.
So you weigh the tea here?
Yeah.
And then you give it to the auction?
Yes. I'll explain our process for you. The factory we call Pedro, established 1885, but 1945 accident. After rebuilt 1954, started by Duke Edinburgh. Only the ladies working in the fields, that one is a tradition work, that's why. Doing work 8 hours. 8 hours they have to pick 18 kilos of leaves. They are picking only the young one. Hard leaves they don't pick, it's falling down and become a fertilizer. In Pedro estate we have 2,000 acres. 2,000 acres divided to 7 divisions. The Pedro, Lava Sleep, Nest, Bee Scrub, Moon Plains, Mahagaster upper division and lower division, like that. Every 2 hours, 3 times for a day, tea leaves bring to the fields and weighing it. They have weighing centers and they will weighing that teas. After weighing, tea leaves come in here. Here we have an officer. He will check how many kilos, what is the time, and what is the division, like that. After bring leaves here, they will weigh that tea. After that, collect it and bring to the withering room. Let's move to inside.
Hi, morning.
This one is our first step, withering process. Bring the green leaves, come in here. Like these tubs we have 24 like that upstairs also here. Per tub we can put average 1000 kilos of leaves. After that spread it on like this. Outside we have wood burners. Switch on the fans and heat the burners. Just hot air coming from a bottom.
Okay.
12 to 14 hours we have to keep the leaves here.
Yeah.
Normally 78% moisture in fresh leaf. 78% to 45% moisture removing here. After reduce the moisture, the leaves are not fresh. That one is like a flexible, like a rubber, right? After that we collect teas, bring to the rolling room. Withering we are doing like two processes. The hot days we are giving natural air. We opening these windows and switch on the fan and only that one. But rainy days we are giving artificial air, right? Artificial air means we are using firewood. Outside we have wood burners. Then switch on the fans and heat the burners. Just blows coming. Outside we have burners, right?
Oh, okay, I understand.
This one is the fan.
Yeah, I didn't notice this. Yeah.
Okay, just coming the blows
Okay.
from the bottom.
For how many hours you keep it here?
14 hours, 12 to 14 hours.
Okay. And after that, the leaves are in like a rubbery state.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is the rolling machine. Bring the wither leaves coming by trolleys here. Then we are putting 250 kilos of here. After that 30 minutes twist and rolling.
Yeah.
Crush the leaves. After crushing,
Yeah.
break their cells and fermentations will get a start in here. Especially here we are during night process because we are making here unique tea we call light bright.
Yeah.
We need cool temperature for that. Again 30 minutes we collect it that side. We turn this circle and we are putting big trolleys here.
Yeah.
Then all the fermented leaves falls down.
Okay.
The cutting machine.
Yeah.
This machine we call rotor van. Fermented leaves come in here. Bring by hand.
Yeah.
Switch on the machine. This belt this brings up there. Fermented leaves falling down to here. Switch on the machine. That cutters are turning.
Yeah.
Then it's cut into small pieces, right? After that it falls down here. This conveyor belt this brings to the grading machine.
So this is an actual factory. I thought this is just for display to show the people. This is a real factory.
Real factory.
Okay.
But nowadays Christmas.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why they are not working.
Okay.
This machine we call rotary roll breaker. This is a rotating machine. In working time, here we are putting like that different sizes of wire mesh. Then the cut leaves just falls to the net, rotating and filtering. Big, smaller like that. More bigger particles ups in the net. It's
Okay.
go back to the roller, cutting, filtering. Here we are making two types of tea. This one we call rotor van system tea. The rotor vans means that one is a small particles, strong tea,
Yeah.
right? That system we call orthodox. That one is a filter machine. They also have different sizes of measures.
Okay.
But that part of it is not going to cut in, only rolling and filtering. In working time, under we put in baskets, then the sheave leaves falls down.
Yeah.
This one for the leafy tea, the lightest tea. After that, we collect tea leaves separately, bring to the drying room. From the dryer machine, oxidations arrest.
Yeah.
Then the leaves ready to drink. This one is a dryer machine. Bring the green particles, put it on top. Bring the green particles, put it on top. Dryer machine working like a zigzag part, right? It's like a movie.
Yeah.
21 minutes between 88 Celsius to 93 Celsius.
Okay.
The hot. After 21 minutes, dry leaves come out there.
Yeah.
We collect. After drying, we keep in 3% moisture because 100 degrees burned leaves we can't use that. So that's why we keeping 3% or 4% moisture for the tea leaves. This one is after dry. Now like this tea is ready to drink. but it's still not clean because they have some fibers, stalks, those things are here, and also all teas mixed together. We have to clean it and braid it.
Yeah.
So we are using this conveyor belts. The leaves we are putting here. Switch on the machine. This conveyor belt, this brings up there.
Yeah.
The upstairs.
Yeah.
The upstairs has cleaning and grading machines. Unclean teas coming here.
Yeah, okay.
The cleaning machine we call a stock extractor. They have two rollers. That one is like a magnet. The fibers, stalks, those easy things are stuck from there. Right?
Stuck to here?
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, the fibers and the stalks we collect and put into the plantations as a fertilizer. The clean ones coming here and fall down. After that, this belt teas brings to the grading machine. The grading machine we call chota. There are different sizes of measures. The 12, 14, 16 like that. This one is the measure of the size. The shaving machine. Shaving and divide into the sizes. The pecker. Mild and delicate tea.
Yeah.
Second one is a BOP. Broken orange pecker. Right?
Yeah.
The medium grade one. Yesterday you had this one.
Yeah.
Third one we call the English tea. BOPF.
So the size of the actual tea decides how strong it is.
Yeah.
That's the only difference. So it's all the same tea plant.
Anyways the same plant. Just the process difference. Factory to factory, that one is a difference. This one is the dust. The dust is most famous in Sri Lanka. The most of the people we like strong tea with milk and with sugar. So that's why. Right? Mm-hmm. This one is our final process. You can see samples now.
Yeah,
After that you can see storeroom downstairs.
Yeah, okay.
These are the leafy tea, the lightest teas, right? The orthodox system tea, this one.
Yeah.
Orange pekoe, more light. Pekoe, mild and delicate. The FBOP, flowery broken orange pekoe, shade of strong, but the lightest.
Mm-hmm.
The broken grace like a powder tea. The BOP, broken orange pekoe, medium grade. The English breakfast, BOPF. The BP, broken pekoe, little bit lighter than BOP. Mm-hmm. The dust, most going to the tea bags, and most of the Sri Lankans we use in this one.
So, when somebody in the shop sells cinnamon tea or lemon tea, how does that work?
After process, they adding like flavors or something. That some people they are putting natural things, natural ingredients.
Yeah.
But some people's not like that.
Yeah.
They are putting like artificial thing. I think like aromatic thing.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
This one is the storeroom. The teas we are packing like this, manual packing, no machineries to pack. The labels are packing like this. Per sack we can put 48, 65 like that kilos, right? Mm-hmm. Here inside they have aluminium foil papers. Mm-hmm. With the foil, the teas we can keep long time, like 5 years. But like this teas we can't sell directly because it's a government regulation. Just 5% only we can sell in downstairs. Rest of the teas goes to the auction in Colombo.
That's the rule.
To the auction.
That's the government rule.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. We have tea brokers and also we have to trademark.
Yeah.
Margaster and Lover Sleep like that. Our brokers we call the Margaster teas buying Forbes and Volkers. The Lover Sleep teas buying John Kears. That is our two brokers. They will taste the teas and they decide how is the quality like that. After that, Dilmah, Lipton, Ceylonta like that companies, they are buying from the brokers. They buying and brings to their factories and they mix well, reblend it, adding something flavors also like strawberry, cinnamon, ginger, something. Then they are packing nicely and they are selling to all over the world.
Yeah.
Here we are only basic production. These are the natural teas.
How many kilograms do you produce in a year?
In a year, 8 lakh like that.
800,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.